away. You gotta remember this formula too, by the way. So if you can't factor anything, you'll be able to solve it with the formula. Plus 5 equals x, right? So, you always get the radicand by itself. And what that means is you go minus 5 on this side, minus 5 over here. So if you moved it over that side, it'd be a minus 5. So therefore, it would look like this then. X plus 7 is equal to x minus 5, right? Now, in order to solve for x, you got to square. You got to get rid of the radicand. So if you square one side, you got to square the next. Always do the same thing. So you square this, you square that. So this side becomes x plus 7. This side becomes x minus 10x plus 25, right? I squared it. FOIL method. X minus 5, x minus 5, right? X times x, x squared. X times a minus 5, minus 5x. Minus 5 times x, minus 5x. Minus 5 times minus 5 plus 25. Add these two together, x squared minus 10x plus 25, right? So that side becomes that. Now you're trying to solve.
Shouldn't it be squared though? X squared?
Yes, thank you. That's what I meant, x squared. That's not right. Okay, that's what I meant, like over there, yes.
So on the x minus 5, we just FOIL that out.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, you FOIL it because you squared it.
Yeah.
So that just means this, right here. So I take this, I need to set it for 0, move this on this side, the signs change, right? So look, x squared minus 10x plus 25 minus x minus 7 equals 0. Before I collect like terms, I could have done it all at one shot. Just wanted to see, let you see what happens. When I bring this on the side, the signs change. So I have a minus 11x, and then 25 minus 7 is what? Plus 18? Is that right? So what is that going to be? X minus 2, x minus 9? Looks right when you factor it. What two numbers multiply together give you a positive 18? Same two added together give you a negative 11? Okay, so I got x minus 9, x minus 2 equals 0, right? Solving for it, x is 9, x is 2, right? So x ended up being 9, x ended up being 2. Not so bad when you solve it all the way through. Okay? All right, let's get to solving a rational equation. A rational equation is nothing more than algebraic fraction. That's all it is. So, and we started that, I believe, in Math 70, with x over x minus 4 plus 2 over x plus 3, right? X plus 3 is equal to 6 over x squared. X squared, is that minus x? Minus 12, right? So, if you notice something, this is the same as these two multiplied by each other, right? So what you want to always do, if you have something that's quadratic in a rational expression, always factor this here. Whatever the quadratic equation is, always factor. So I'm going to rewrite it. X minus 4 plus 2, x plus 3 equals 6 over x minus 4 times x plus 3. That's if you factor it. I did it, I see that it's the same, you factor it. Now, what do you do to solve a problem like this? It's a algebraic fraction.
Don't you multiply both sides by the
Least common denominator. You multiply both sides by the least common denominator. Therefore, the common denominator here is this. So guess what? I'm going to multiply, I'll put this around here. I'm going to multiply this whole thing through by x minus 4, x plus 3. And on this side here, I'm going to multiply by x minus 4, x plus 3. Can you see that? Terrible, huh? I need a different color. So if you look at this here, that means this times this piece, these two times this piece, and these two times this piece, right?
You do top and bottom one?
Yeah, well, no, you just multiply this by the top only.
Oh.
Remember, this is like being over 1.
Um,
This is like being over 1, always, right?
yeah.
So, you multiply this by this, what can you do?
Foil.
Don't you have to eliminate some of them? Like if they're
Thank
light?
you. You have to eliminate. So in this case, these two are the same, right? So I'm gonna eliminate this, I'm gonna eliminate that, which means that this will be times this. So it's gonna be x times x plus 3. What about if I multiply this and this? I eliminate this piece, right? Right? So that means that x minus 4 times 2, so it's plus 2 times x minus 4. Equal, what about if I multiply this by that?
Just 6.
It's just 6, because x minus 4 cancel, x plus 3 cancel out, just equals 6.
Oh.
You gotta know how to cancel out.
Yeah.
That is Math 70 stuff again, but you gotta go back and practice. This is important. Remember I told you, this stuff is only hard to you if you didn't go back and refresh your Math 70 stuff. You gotta know that stuff. That's the only reason why it's hard, because people forget those rules from Math 70. Nothing's changed. We did rational expressions. We finished off rational expressions in Math 70. So now, you multiply, you distribute. X times x, x squared. X times 3 plus 3x. 2 times x plus 2x. 2 times a minus 4 minus 8 equals 6, right?
And you get rid of it.
Collect terms. I can bring this over on this side and make negative, right? Negative 6 over here, negative 6 over there. That'd be and then add these two together. So I'm at x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals 0. Right? Because I'm putting it in an ax squared plus bx plus c format, which is this. Now, I get here and I go, what two numbers multiply together give you a negative 4? Same two add together give you a positive 5.
Seven, negative.
What kind?
Negative 2 and 7.
Okay, that sounds like good. X plus 7, x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x is equal to a minus 7, x is equal to a positive 2. Right? So you gotta remember how to cancel